Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. This is an update of our last short Sisterlocs. Install was done on June 16th, and we did the first wash and first retie on 18th July. So, on this video, I want to update you how the air is progressing. As you can see, it's progressing well. We just had some few slippage, and the air has grown since that time. And I'm also here to share some tips on maintenance of short locks. So I'll just go straight to the point. As you can see, our air did not even have a lot of slippage even after wash. I didn't wash it using the method of braid and band because the air is too short, so there was no air to braid or to band. So on the tips of maintaining a short locks, tip number 1: don't wash your locks oftenly because you will experience a lot of slippage, being the air is short and you cannot braid and band. So I would advise you to wash your hair at least once a month or after 4 weeks when you're going for your retie. And if possible, let your loctician do it for you to avoid a lot of unraveling. Tip number 2: don't oil your hair to avoid slippage. More so when you have a loose curl pattern. My client is so lucky. She has a 4C hair, and that has really helped her with the slippage. We only experience the slippage around the perimeter, which is normal even with the long locks. Tip number 3: drink a lot of water and also spritz your hair at least once a day to stay hydrated in and out. Our locks really love water and it helps to control the itchy and the flakiness. Tip number 4: have your satin bonnet on whenever you are sleeping to avoid lint. Don't give chance to lint and build up. Hey lovelies, if you're clicking my video for the first time and you find this kind of content useful, kindly consider subscribing. Help me to grow this channel. Give me a thumbs up. Help me grow. Thank you. If you have locks or you are considering getting sister lock or micro locks, you are on the right channel and you can even send referrals. I'm taking new clients and I'm very flexible. Don't hesitate to contact me. It was nice having you around, and thanks for watching the video up to this end. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.